Are you enjoying Patagonia?
Sí,
Sí.
muy bien.
Qué rico.
Patagonia, ¿qué eres? Hey guys, I'm Sapan, a travel vlogger, yogi and an explorer. This video is a 4-day Patagonia adventure trip. On day 1, we are going to start with a tour of port city Puerto Natales. We are hiking the stunning Torres del Paine on day 2. Day 3, we go on a boat tour to see beautiful Serrano and Balmaceda glaciers. And we end on day 4 with a horse riding at Dorotea hill. So let the adventure begin. It's 6:30 a.m. Our flight is at 7:30 to Puerto Natales. We are at the Santiago airport. This is our hiking shoes.
Oh yeah, baby.
We have the same ones.
We have the same ones.
So, see you guys in Puerto Natales.
Keep your seatbelt up
Hola,
and
Emily.
remember to do not board the flight. Thank you.
It's very windy here. Right, so this is the smallest airport I've ever seen. Puerto Natales. Now we are here in the hostel. This is our hostel. Hostel Los Pinos.
This is our room. We are working.
In a hostel. This is a 3 bed. We are 2 people. Hola.
We have 2 beds.
2 bed. This is a bigger one. I have a smaller one. And now we are going out for a walking tour in Puerto Natales. So see you guys out on the street. Ciao.
Was created by Mario Razavan. Yeah, he's Chilean. Yeah. Nowadays he has 79 years old.
Talk to me. Talk to all the people at home.
So this is the cutest drink I've ever seen. I got chai latte with a vanilla cookie cup from the bus.
And I got hot chocolate with the orange cookie.
Wow. From the bus.
Cheers!
Oh,
Sap Daddy Smooth. What do you think?
Sapalicious.
it's sapalicious.
Yes!
Yes.
Yo.
Hello. It's 6:45 a.m. It's gonna take us 2 hours to reach. And it's gonna take us 2 hours to reach there. Torres Pines National Park, and it's a 9 hours hiking. First couple of hours is steep, and last couple of hours is steep. And this is our crew.
Hi! Stop, Daddy Smooth!
What's up, Daddy?
That will be edited, guys. Okay, guys, see you at the trekking. Bye. We spotted Puma and her very cute babies on the way. Apparently, they are greatest in numbers in the areas of Torres del Paine. So we started the journey. It's 9:05 a.m. It's gonna be 4.5 hours up. Not all the way up, but there are a few.
Yes.
And that's why we have this stick.
weather.
Yeah, and it's beautiful. It's
Oh my
sunny.
God,
It's
we are
not
so
raining.
lucky.
And we are very lucky. Today is beautiful. You can see.
And we saw Puma.
Yeah, we saw Puma.
see the Puma
They would have
earlier?
already seen
Yeah.
the video. And here is the view.
Amazing.
And we'll see you on the path. We have a long journey ahead. Long and beautiful journey ahead. Ciao.
Ciao.
The bridge here. Only maximum 2 people can go. So we are in the line.
You're gonna do a video of us how we cross the bridge?
It's already
We
going
should
on.
be in, yeah.
Holding hands. So we are 1 hour into our hiking and we're already sweating. We're going uphill. You can see the beautiful view. We need to remove more layers.
More layers gone, more sweat added.
How is everyone doing?
Muy bien. Excellent. It's amazing.
Muy bien. I'm that tired actually. And we have probably 30 minutes of This is it.
We made it.
We are going back. It's going to be a 4-hour hike down. How is everyone feeling? We're almost down at the base camp. It's gonna be another hour. It's a strenuous hike. Finally, we are done with hiking. It was strenuous, but she was actually very good.
Oh, he was too! Oh my gosh, how is he saying? Yes.
Good morning, guys. So we are going on the boat here. Here we are going to see the glaciers, and it's gonna be 3 hours boat ride, right? Okay, we are all tired from yesterday's hike. See, Tara looks so fresh. 3 hours boat ride.
Japan,
Boat.
where are you?
We are on the boat and look at the view. It's a little windy, but it's beautiful weather. It's breathtaking. Oh my god. They're coming.
Say hello to everyone. Oh wow, oh wow.
we just got out of the boat and we're gonna do walking for 1 hour in this beautiful forest. Okay, so we are returning back. We saw the glacier here. It was beautiful. It was about 30 minutes walk. Now we are going back and the view is breathtaking. He also mentioned the glacier is melting a lot because of the global warming. So yeah, we have to be conscious. We just finished the boat ride. It's 3 o'clock, so it's been like 6 hours, 7 hours we were in the boat. Did you guys enjoy the boat ride?
Yes, I love how everyone was sleeping.
Did you like the boat trip?
Me gusta. I loved it.
What did you remember most of all
Boat trip?
in the boat trip? Yes.
The boat guide. and the glacier.
He remembered you.
Yeah. Okay. Ciao.
Ciao.
Good morning. It's 9 a.m. and we are about to go for horse riding. I think it's 2 hours in the car, and then we do horse riding up 1.5 hour, down 1.5 hours, so it's total 3 hours. I have not done horse riding, so we'll see how it goes. We just got to the horse ride, and here are the beautiful horses. Are you excited for the horse riding?
It's a beautiful day. And our caballo.
Yeah, caballo. Caballo is apparently horse in Spanish.
Hey, hola!
Hola! Hola! Papaya. So we are done with the horseback riding. It was 3 hours, a little longer, but it was amazing. And the view up was beautiful. And then after eating, we'll hop on this van and go to the airport. It's almost midnight. And now finally we'll go home.
We did acro yoga in the airport, so that was great.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the trip was amazing.
Yeah. Very tired.
So very tired, and ciao. Ciao. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys like it. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. See you in that next video.